Hello, we're back with another social masterclass, and today we're talking all about content pillars, what they are, how they're useful and how you can track them, and we've also got some lovely bits of content for you to use as well.
So what actually are content pillars? Now, it may seem a little confusing, but it's very simple. To put it bluntly, it is literally just themes of posts that you post every single week. So these posts have got to follow your values as a business, your aesthetic, and then they've also got to have your tone of voice as well. So these can be anything from bathroom images to pictures of your products, and we'll go into a little bit more detail in a minute.
So why are these useful, you might think? Well, they're easy to create content and plan your social media. You know, if you've got a guide of what kind of things you need to include that week on your social media, then it's quite easy to kind of think of the ideas and add them in. And also it helps you give consistency, so customers and clients begin to kind of recognise your content and the types of posts that they should expect from you.
Number 3 is how to track them. So it is super easy to track them. We've made a guide to tracking them, which is a little content calendar which uses all of the national days, so National Beauty Day and things like that, along with National Pink Day, because obviously it wouldn't be Pink's Boutique without Pink Day. And this is all free to use, and we've got a link for this in the description below. So if you do want to access this content calendar, which is just great for finding little bits of information that you can post about, that's in the description below.
So number 4, some ideas for you. So you might be thinking, well, what kind of content pillars can I use? So some of the main ones that you could use are kind of bathroom inspiration images, salon inspiration images, product images of the products that you use, salon treatment images. You know, showing a massage, everyone loves that. Everyone thinks, oh yes, I could do with that. Well, I do anyway. And any UGC that you get from clients, that goes down really well because people love to see other people enjoying the product, and they kind of really recognise that this is something that they would like to try as well. Quotes as well, they always go down well, kind of generic quotes, Monday motivation, that type of thing. But like I say, we've got a content calendar below, so check that out.
It is also worth mentioning, when you do use any inspiration pictures or any content from clients that they've posted, always make sure to credit them in the caption. So just simply put like a little camera emoji and then just put their Instagram name. Just kind of gets them included and makes them feel like you've actually really appreciated their image. Number 5 is following our templates that we've made on Canva. So we don't want to make this difficult for you at all. So we've gone through and we've made some templates on Canva, which you would have seen how to use Canva in a previous video. So make sure to check that out if you haven't already. And then you can literally just go through and change anything that you need to. They're super easy guides just to follow, and yeah, hopefully that helps you.
So yeah, to kind of run through why content pillars are so important. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below, and enjoy the different things that we've offered you.
Bye.